In this video, we are going to calculate present value of a loan using Excel. Now, to do these calculations in Excel, we are going to use the function that you see here. Now, remember, if you type any mathematical function, always put an equal to in the cell before you type that, whatever that function might be, in this case, that PV. Now, let's talk about the 5 items that we see here. The first one is interest rate per period. Now, be careful. Usually we think of an annual rate, but each period is a monthly period, so make sure we're going to divide that by 12. Next, our second one here is that NPER is the total number of payment periods. So if you have a monthly payment each year, that's 12. So if we know the number of years, you're going to have to multiply that by 12. The next, that PMT stands for the payment. What is your payment each period? Again, most of the time that's going to be what is your monthly payment. Now, in this particular case, these last two ones, we are going to leave those blank. That is the future value you want to attain after the last payment is made. For present value, you're going to leave it blank. This one here, this type, we're going to also leave that blank. So now let's look at an example. Cece has a loan with a payment of $835.92 a month. The loan has an annual interest rate of 6.25%. The loan is for 15 years. What is the present value of the loan? Round to the nearest dollar. So let's take a look at how we would enter that into Excel. Now, what I have done is I have entered 3 values and a formula. So you will see here I have entered the rate, and now I enter that as a decimal, so 0.0625. You'll see that's the A1 cell. I have to divide that by 12, and dividing by 12 is going to be that rate per monthly period. In the next cell, we see right here in cell B1, I have just put the years and I have made the formula, multiply that by 12. You can type in this spot 0.0625 divided by 12. And then in this spot, you could do 15 times 12 if you were going to just do the formula and only the formula. I type it out like this so that I can, copy that formula and use it more than one time. So here, that C1 cell, so that goes into that third spot, is our monthly payment. And as you can see, there's nothing in those 2 spots here. So that's just those commas, those blanks. That is for the future value and the type that we're going to have there. So that is how you type the formula into the cell, and you can see that it gives you the amount. So, here's our formula. I've typed it in the D1 cell. I've typed it as you see there, and then this is the amount that it's given us. Now, remember to read your instructions. If they said to round to the nearest cent, this is what we would get. Or they said to the nearest penny, that's what we would get. But they did make the claim that we wanted to round this figure here to the nearest dollar. So make sure that you do that. And our final answer would be $97,492. So that is a little bit about how we calculate present value of a loan using Excel. I hope that helps you understand how to do that. Thank you so much for watching. You have a good day.